Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Today, as the title tells, we are going to see the small changes but big effects. Many times we hear people telling, I feel so lazy, lethargic. A type of hangover is there on me. I can't do this. I don't feel like doing. Many times we hear people speaking this. Why it is? How we can overcome this? They say that they don't have interest in anything. Yes, they may feel like that. But we can overcome this with some small changes which all of us can do. Changes are very small and in our own hands they are. First thing is, we should practice the habit of sleeping early. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. We have heard from our childhood. So this positive change will make a lot of difference in your life. Early means how? At least before 10 o'clock you should go to bed. Because if you go to bed early, you will be having a good sound sleep, and next day morning you will be very fresh and energetic to do next day's work. And statistics shows that only 20% people of the world go to bed before 10 o'clock. That is why we have to follow this going to bed early. Early means before 10 o'clock. And getting up early, that is at least at 5 o'clock. Try this for 30 days. If you follow this for 30 days, it will become a habit. So, is it easy? We can follow it. What is in that? Manage your work early. Go to bed early and get up early. And after getting up early, you are knowing you will be getting abundant of time then for your exercise, for your reading books, to make your today's plan list, to-do list of that day. You will get a lot of time. That is the first thing. Going to bed early and getting up early. Second is read books. You are knowing nature has given us one gift which it did not give to other animals. Even other animals can walk, sleep, eat, reproduce, everything. But they can't read. Only we human beings can read. So we should enjoy it. So what we should do? We should make a habit of reading good books. Read good biographies, autobiographies of great people. Then read anything of your choice, science, technology, humanities, whatever you feel. But you should make it compulsory at least half an hour. In the beginning, at least half an hour. You will read some book. And once it becomes a habit, you will enjoy it. Afterwards, you will read on your own. Whenever you get time, you will be reading it. That is the second one. First one, sleeping early. Second, reading books. Third thing is exercise. Regular exercise. Why regular exercise? Because exercise keeps us physically fit. Let it be walking, running, jumping, swimming, cycling, whatever exercise you are doing, do it. But it should be done systematically and regularly. Otherwise, 2 days you will go to gym and then you will stop it. Not like that. There should be consistency because it will keep you fit. Physical fitness is a must. And for mental fitness, we can have self-talk, we can have meditation, whatever of your choice. Then we should travel a lot. Traveling, you may tell why? We learn a lot from traveling. First go around of your place, then your district, then your state, then your country, then other countries. Traveling teaches you a lot and you will enjoy it. Their food, their dress, their talk, everything. Then our food, very, very important. Which type of food we should take? We should take good, fresh food. A lot of vegetables, a lot of fruits. And I told you, fruits and vegetables should reach your house within short period. Means their time in transportation should be minimum. Means you will get fresh sprouts, eat a lot of dry fruits, and drink plenty of water. It is very, very important. Then while doing so, what you should avoid? You should avoid fried things, oily things, sugary things. Sugary things means not only eatables, even juices and all ready-made, packed one what you get. What is prepared in the house, you can eat, drink it, fresh fruit juice and all. You should avoid these things. Avoid salt, sugar and maida. These three things are called as poison. So, minimize their use. And junk food. Nowadays, people are crazy of junk food. And junk food, you are knowing, it affects your body very, very badly. So minimize it. Then see that daily you will walk in the sunlight at least 10 to 15 minutes. Morning tender sunlight 7 to 12. It helps us a lot for our health. It gives us D vitamin, you are knowing. So you won't get any diseases because of that. Apart from that, it helps us or it avoids depression and all. If you daily go to 5 to 10 minutes in the tender sunlight, in between 7 to 9, you will never feel depressed in life. You will be more energetic, more healthy, more happy. Apart from that, you should be very, very busy. Keep yourself busy because I have told you, our mind is devil's workshop. If we don't have any work, if we simply sit quietly just scrolling the mobile, this and that, what will happen? You will think, that day he told me like that. So, don't waste your time in such a way. Instead of that, be active. All the time, be active. Whatever work you can do, do it. And be active, work, whatever work you are having, your work, do it as far as you can. Walk when we can walk. Don't use the vehicles. If you can climb the steps, don't use the lift. Only when you are tired and all, it is okay. Otherwise, not. When you are healthy and when you want to keep yourself fresh, you have to these small changes, but the effects will be very big effects. You just follow it and see it and let me know how you feel. Have a nice day.